Hi beauties, it's Carmen. Thanks again for tuning into my hair channel where I just love to show you guys hairstyles and different ways that you can achieve different looks. Today I am actually going to be doing a ponytail hairstyle. The band is a really great hair accessory that you can use to add fullness to your hair even if you don't already have extensions. I'm actually going to apply it to my hair to create a more dramatic ponytail. This is the band. It's attached to a clear monoline here. It's very stretchy. I love to use it to add to my hair for fullness, but today I'm actually going to apply it in my hair onto my ponytail. So adding this is going to really help just enhance that ponytail. In order to achieve my ponytail hairstyle, I'm going to use a couple of different products. So I'm going to use Redken High Hold Hairspray. So the higher the number, the more hold that the product has with this product line. I'm also going to use the Dry Texture Spray by Redken, just to spray in my ponytail once I've completed the look to add a little bit more volume. I'm also going to need a hair tie, a couple bobby pins. I especially love to use the wide bobby pins. This is a great way to anchor the hairstyle without having to use a lot of pins in your hair. This is the band by Hotheads. I have the 523 color melt. I've toned it a little bit just to match my hair. Very flexible in this area. Great way to add fullness to your hairstyle. It gives you length and a volume. Let's get started with this hairstyle. So first off, I'm going to put my hair all up in a ponytail with this hair tie. So I'm kind of just gonna grab all my hair first and then really brush down all the flyaways with this brush. It's a teasing comb. These bristles really help to get... I just fucking hit myself in the face. Okay. If you're ever one of my clients in the salon, I literally drop crap all the time. So that little number right there was not a surprise to me that I did. Once you have your hair kind of in the upwards direction, then take your brush and start getting all of these hairs down. Now I'm gonna start using this really high hold hairspray. So I'm going to apply it all through this area and really brush it down with this comb to get everything really nice and sleek. It sprays out really nicely too. I do like this product. It's very easy to use. One thing I really like about this hairspray is it's humidity resistant. So I like that I know that I can kind of go about my day with the weather not affecting my hairstyle and making my hair frizzy. I'm directing all the hair up into a high ponytail. I want a lot of volume. I want it to be pretty dramatic. Good inch of hair out. Take this and start to wrap it around the ponytail. Spray as you go just to keep it nice and sleek. So once you've completely wrapped that hair strand all the way around the ponytail, take that last little piece and just bobby pin it down. Section by section and back combing everything just to give my hair the most volume. Then I'm going to take my Dry Texture finishing spray. So this is one of my go-to products. It's a one-size-fits-all hair accessory. Comes in a lot of different colors. So thank you guys so much for watching my ponytail hairstyle tutorial. I hope that this helps you guys. This is a really fun, easy look. I feel like it just takes a couple minutes. I pre-straightened the band before I actually applied it to my hair and then utilized the band for volume and some extra length. Well, I really liked using this Dry Texture spray. I felt like it did add a lot of volume and body in my ponytail after I had backcombed it. And then Hard Hold Extreme High Hold Spray was really beneficial. It really got all of these small like flyaways down. So I do like this for a really sleek look. A huge benefit of this high hold hairspray by Redken is that it's got 24-hour control, and it also is a humidity resistant. So great for days where the weather is not so great. The band by Hotheads is really easy to use. It comes in this really awesome packaging so you can store it. It's 100% human Remy hair, so you guys can actually do lots of different hairstyles with the band. And you can also wash it, blow dry it, curl it, and straighten it. So it's very, very versatile. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you beauty soon.